Yeah, welcome. This is Forex. My name is Alemzi Cash, and so I'll be giving you a brief explanation of what to expect on this channel. Like I said this is Forex Hub. This is a channel where we deal on forex trading, including derived commodities. So you can find crash, boom indices on this channel. So when you talk about volatility, step index, you'll find it here also. And I want to tell you that forex trading is not something really difficult, as many people have made it out to be. You understand? What you'll be finding on this channel is beginner friendly content. We'll be taking you on the step-by-step process on all the indices you can find on Deriv, you can find on any broker platform. So whether you're talking about currencies, you're talking about stock, you're talking about cryptocurrencies, you'll be finding it on this channel. All right. So we'll be dealing with forex trading and also the indices you can find on deriv.com. The indices you can find on deriv.com are not found on any other brokerage platform. On Deriv, you can find volatility indices, you can find crash and boom indices, you can find the step index also. And just like I have a trade running currently on volatility indices, these are the trades running currently on volatility indices. You can see all in blues, you know. So this is what we do on Forex Hub. We always want to catch the markets sniper entries. We just want to catch the market sniper entries. So this is what you can find on this channel. We'll take you through, we'll hold your hand from the scratch. We'll walk you through all these things, through the orders in the market. Many people, they have the opinion that forex trading is rocket science. But on this channel, we'll be telling you that forex trading is not rocket science. It's very simple. We take everything down to the scratch, and then we'll just work together, and when we'll grow together and become profitable forex traders. Yeah. I would also want you to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell. Remember, this is Forex Hub, and I remain Alemzi Cash.